Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I am doing a cleaning video today, and I really like to start each morning by making our bed. And then I'm just straightening up our dresser and my nightstand. Then I'm just putting everything away that was on my bathroom counter that doesn't necessarily need to be there anymore. And then after that, I will be cleaning my toilet. I clean my toilet at least, I would say maybe every other day. I know that sounds crazy, but I just really love a nice clean toilet and bathroom. That's just how I am. I don't like a dirty toilet, and so I'm always cleaning it. And this takes me a while to do because I just love a clean toilet and bathroom, of course. Then after that, I will go straight to my shower and clean my shower, take everything out that is either empty or that I'm done with, and then I'll just spray some scrub and bubbles and get all the soap scums and all that out of the bathtub. And after I get done with my bathroom, I will go into my husband's / the guest bathroom, and I will just wipe down the shower, clean the tub, and get out any dirty towels that he has. I've already cleaned the toilets, so you didn't see me do those, but I promise you I did, and I'm just filling up my diffuser, and his bathroom is all clean. And then I will be going in the living room and vacuuming. I usually try and vacuum every single day, but if I don't do it every single day, I will definitely do it every other day. And then I noticed that there's a wet spot on my shirt, and thanks to our shower, it got me wet when I was cleaning out the bathtub. And after I vacuum our living room, I will be vacuuming our kitchen. Our kitchen never takes me long to vacuum at all because it's so small. And then I will be unloading the dishwasher and putting all the dishes away. And after I get done with all the clean dishes, putting those away, I will do the dirty dishes and put those in the dishwasher so I can start those. Then I'll wash my hands and wash the sink out. And then after that, I will just wipe down my stove and clean any spots that needed to be clean. So yeah, my kitchen is all clean. I just added a few things. I got a new Pioneer Woman butter dish, and I put these adorable Mickey Mini pot holders. They're supposed to be plant holders, but I'm using them for my utensils. And then the soap dispensers you see, I'm just refilling them all. That's why they're not by the sink. And then I got a new diffuser, and I love it. I got it on Amazon. I just love to have a diffuser when I'm cleaning or just whenever because it's just so relaxing, and I just love it. And I'm watching The Lion King. I moved the Paris lamp in the living room. It was in our bedroom, but I just really like how it looks right there. And yeah, thank you all for watching. This is my cleaning routine, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye!